Can you imagine getting paid every time you search on Google? With the click of a mouse, you can earn cash while on a whim when you search on Google. It's crazy to think that just by searching on Google and clicking on links, you can earn PayPal cash without any applications, any interviews or screenings. You can instantly get paid once you hit $5. So if you're interested in earning money just by clicking links on Google, then you're in for a treat, because I'm going to be showing you how to do exactly that. This is a quick gig that you can do in your free time to earn some extra cash, or maybe save up for something bigger. Maybe you want to pay for something you want, or you just want to have a couple of extra dollars in your pockets. Either way, I've got you covered with this method. If today's method sounds like music to your ears, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on, and let's get right into it. By the way, you don't need any fancy skills or experience, and you can do this from anywhere, whether you're at home or on a holiday. That's the beauty of making money online. Just grab your device, make sure your internet connection is working, and simply pay close attention over these next few money-making minutes, especially as I drop my bonus tips and recommendations. I'm just going to start this video off with a bang with an incredible recommendation. Just click the first link in the description box down below and you can get access to a done-for-you software that helps you go from $0 to $500 a day as a complete beginner. But please keep in mind that this is only available for the first 25 people who click the first link in the description and sign up. So if it's still available, you can get access to a done-for-you system and see the best way to make money online. Anyways, let's get back to the tutorial. The first thing that you want to do is head on over to Google. If you don't already know, as I'm sure all of you do, Google is a search engine and the largest and most visited site in the whole World Wide Web. No site has ever been as popular as Google.com, and with that, I'm sure that you know that it is visited by hundreds of millions of people day by day. And I'm pretty sure that you too use Google on a daily basis. Now, I want to show you something. Let's say we're searching for local cafes or any type of business in any place in the world, gyms, salons, wherever. I will just be using local cafes as an example. Don't worry, with this strategy, you don't need to contact any of these businesses. You don't have to sell anything at all. All you have to do is click on links. But before I show you how, let me show you something real quick. Now, let's say you want to go and eat at a cafe near you. So you go to Google and search for local cafes in your area. After doing so, Google will show you these results. You'll probably pick one that you like and want to eat there from the first page. With that, you won't bother to go to the second page and beyond. And that is what happens most of the time. So those cafes that are on the 5th page, on the 10th, or even those on the 2nd page, they're usually not getting any clicks and they're losing a lot of revenue. Since every time someone Googles local cafes, they just go ahead and pick the ones from the first page. And that is why large companies and businesses are willing to pay millions of dollars just to be on the first page of Google, so that they will attract more customers in the long run. It involves the use of a technique known as search engine optimization, also known as SEO. When users search for a term, search engines such as Google use SEO to determine how valuable a site is and how high to rank it. For example, if you search for a term, click on a site, and stay there for a few minutes, Google will consider it as a good site and rank it higher. Because Google is the most popular search engine, businesses are ready to pay a lot of money to be at the top of their results. Now, let's move on to the second step. I want you to go to Google and type into the search bar Mozilla Firefox. Yes, that other browser, not Google Chrome, but Mozilla Firefox. I want you to install this web browser by clicking on the Download Firefox button right here on their official website, mozilla.org. Don't worry, Firefox is just the same thing as Google Chrome and Apple Safari, since they're both browsers. But for this video, it is very important that you install and use Mozilla Firefox, because the method that we will use is exclusive to this browser. Once you have Mozilla Firefox installed, I want you to head over to google.com again, but this time on Firefox browser, and type in SERP clicks on the search bar. I want you to click on this one right here that says serpclicks.com. Once you click the link, you can see here the SERP Clicks homepage. Now, how it works is that people actually boost their rankings on search engines using SERP Clicks. As you can see here on their homepage, grow your SEO rankings using crowdsourced click traffic. So these people actually provide real clickers and ranking services as well. And let's say you're a business owner and you want to invest some of your money into search engines so that when people search for your type of business, yours will come out on top and will be most likely to attract more customers. Now, what I want you to do is scroll down to the bottom of this page, and under the Accounts section, make sure to click on Become a Clicker, since this is what we came here to do. We want to click on links and get some money. And as you can see here, we can earn from 5 to 10 cents per click. The minimum payout threshold that they provide is around $5, so that's around 50 clicks. That's just awesome, right? Next, what you have to do is scroll down again until you see Click here to join the network button. Click on it, and that will then take you to the registration page where you can start filling in all the necessary info. It's free and it works anywhere in the world. Now, just type in your email address, create a password, and enter your PayPal account information. This is necessary since this is where they will send you the money that you earn from clicking. You'll need to install the SERP Clicks extension for Mozilla Firefox. Again, this does not work for Google Chrome, only on Firefox. Click on the SERP Clicks browser extension now, and it will allow you to download the extension. This is what's going to be earning us money. After that, you're ready to start making money. The add-on should install in a matter of seconds. Just as a heads up for you, once you've accumulated $5, SERP Clicks will automatically send you the money every start of the month. As I mentioned earlier, as of now, SERP Clicks only processes payment requests with PayPal once a month. And if you don't reach the minimum payout threshold for that month, the balance will carry over to the next month. All in all, if you're searching for a new way to earn money with websites that require no prior job experience and minimal effort, SERP Clicks is the best place to be. Literally, all you have to do is what you probably do on a day-to-day basis anyway: click links and carry out searches. So that wraps up today's amazing tutorial. We've given you the plan, now it's time for you to take action. What you put into this method is what you will get out of it. And considering how easy it is, it's definitely worth at least trying out. If you've learned anything of value or anything new today, be sure to smash the like button and comment your thoughts, questions, and experience with this method. We love hearing from you guys. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the channel with notifications on so that you can be the first to know when we've uploaded a brand new money-making method that could potentially transform your life and bank account. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.